This father-son duo focuses primarily on serious personal injury cases and criminal cases in the St. Louis and St. Charles areas. And both of these gentlemen are St. Louis natives and practice out of their office located in Town and Country near the intersection of Highway 270 in Manchester. So, gentlemen, thank you all so much for being here with us today.
Thank you so much for having us on, Chelsea.
Absolutely. And I'm sure you love getting to work under your father, right? That's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's nice because we get along so well. So it's kind of a fun father-son duo thing that maybe not everybody has in their offices.
This is a very unique experience that you can experience, especially if you find yourself in a sticky situation. And let's say someone hits you with their car. How do you proceed with the case, even if they don't have insurance, Jim?
Well, it's very simple. Is we first tell them you want to get out there and make sure you have the information from the other person's insurance. If they don't have insurance, it's going to be a problem. And so what we tell them is, come to us and we'll tell you, here's the steps to take to go look at your own insurance policy. Because hopefully you have your own insurance. If you have your own insurance, you can be covered under that, and therefore you've covered yourself. So what we tell people is, look, every time somebody gets in an accident with you, they may not have insurance. So it's important that you cover yourself. An older lawyer told me years ago, now I'm the older lawyer, said, don't always buy insurance just for the other person, buy it to cover you. So you can buy uninsured motorist and underinsured. And I'll let Ryan explain some of that to you.
Yeah, so tell me about the underinsured motorists, because sometimes people can be uninsured, they can also be underinsured. What does that mean for you if you're in an accident?
Right, so again, people don't know that the state of Missouri requires you, if you have an insurance policy, to have uninsured motorist coverage. So you already know, if somebody hits you, they don't have insurance, you're covered under your own policy. But you're not necessarily covered with underinsured motorist coverage. You gotta get that for yourself. So you gotta get a good policy. And so if somebody hits you with their car and you're hurt and you do not have enough insurance, or rather they do not have enough insurance to cover it, you can submit that over to your own policy for underinsured coverage and collect the rest of it from your own insurance company, which are oftentimes good cases.
And that means you're taken care of in the event that an accident does happen, right?
Absolutely.
Right. And you can purchase more to cover yourself. You don't have to keep the minimum. It's a great idea to buy more to cover yourself. That way if somebody hits you and they only have the minimum policy of $25,000, for goodness sakes, that may not cover all your injuries. You better have more. You can buy more for yourself, and I think the amounts are affordable for a lot of people.
And that extra always goes a long way, right?
Goes a long
way.
What other cases do you all work with?
So basically we handle what we would consider to be more serious personal injury cases, right? We don't take every case, but we like to say we take good cases and make them great cases. But for us, we also handle a variety of criminal law. So if somebody is really stuck in a bind, they're looking for not a lawyer that practices in just volumes and volumes of cases, but they want a small law firm like us that is going to get the best result for them. So if they have a difficult issue, they want somebody to go win the case, right? That's what they get.
And that's what you all are doing. You're making sure everyone is taken care of, those who come to you. So if you're interested in getting in with this incredible dynamic duo, father and son, Ryan and Jim, all that information is right there on your screen. You can also give them a follow on Facebook and on Instagram, or you can head to their website. It's right there on your screen, and we'll make sure you have access to all of it on our website at studiostl.tv. Hey, don't go anywhere. We'll have a lot more of the show in just a couple of minutes.